Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase, and in keeping with the theme of buying coin sets that are under $30, this is another one that consists of 3 coins. These are 1975 British Virgin Island proof coins, a 1 cent, a 5 cent, and a 10 cent proof coin. I paid in total with shipping and handling $6.13. So let's open up these proof coins and see what we've got. You know what? I think it's time for the letter opener for this one. Oh, look at that. And they put them in some really nice plastic sleeves. Taped to a piece of paper. What is it with coin dealers and tape all over everything? Whoops. Okay. Okay, we have the 3 coins here. These are from the British Virgin Islands. And we have a 1 cent, a 5 cent, and 10 cent. And of course we have the British monarch at the time, Queen Elizabeth II, on the obverse. Okay, in these British Virgin Island coins, this particular year one of the main themes were different birds on the reverse face of the coins. In the 1 cent we have 2 hummingbirds found throughout the Caribbean region, including the British Virgin Islands are. Left, the green-throated carib. And on the right side, they have the Antilles-crested hummingbird. And on the back of the 5 cent piece, we have the Zenaida doves. And of course, the dove is the symbol of peace and hope. On the 10 cent piece, on the reverse side, we have the ringed kingfisher on a branch looking right. So overall, a really nice set of coins I got for only $5 plus shipping. And I'm really impressed with these. I did not have many British Virgin Island coins in my collection, especially not proof coins of the 1, 5, and 10 cents. So I'll throw up on the screen what the actual value of these coins in total would be compared to what I paid for them. But if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like them. Tell me whatever you want to about these coins. But please, make a comment. And as always, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Good night, viewers.